As people, we're just curious about how things work. We want to get closer and more involved to see the inner workings. Welcome to A Look Inside. Join us as we take a closer look at people, places, and things, and what makes them work.
It's a Cirrus SR20, 200 horsepower. It's carbon fiber reinforced fiberglass. What we have here is a standard Cirrus flight deck. We have this is called the PFD, which is the primary flight display. It gives you all your information such as your attitude, your altitude, your airspeed. This is a MFD, a multifunction display. It gives you information on your engine parameters, moving map, GPS map, charts, any type of instrument charts, and some other data information. These are the analog in case you were to lose these two electronic displays. These are two Garmin 430 GPSs. They're separate, so if one goes out, you still have the other one. This is a comm panel. These are your primary instruments. Also, in case of your PFD goes out, you still have your airspeed, your attitude, and your altitude. And this is your power. And this is your flap actuator. And this here is your transponder, so you're visible to air traffic control. In case of an emergency, you have the ability to reach up under that piece of plastic here, and there's a handle. When you deploy that handle, it'll deploy a parachute and lands the airframe or the aircraft safely to the ground.
How soft is that landing?
I've heard that it's approximately falling from 10 feet. If you look over to your right, you'll see Stone Mountain. We're about 1,500 feet above it. To me, flying is freedom. It gives me the ability as a pilot to fly places which would normally take about 3 times as long. For example, my wife and I like to go to Cedar Key, which is about a 7 to 8 hour drive if you include all the stops. And flying in an aircraft like this, you get there in an hour and a half, 2 hours tops.
This airport is located very strategically, approximately 32 miles from east of Atlanta, and excellent access to I-20, which is a major road into Atlanta. The runway is long enough to accommodate any size corporate aircraft, which that translates that our airport is accessible to anyone from anywhere in the whole United States, and some aircraft from foreign countries.